Hey guys, it's Michaela, and today I'm going to walk you through how to hide your Instagram app/account. It's pretty quick and simple, so let's jump in. First, if you wanted to hide the app from like your homepage on your phone, that's really easy. All you have to do is go to the app, hold down on the app, and then remove app. And you can delete it from your home screen or delete the app completely. If you just remove it from the home screen, then it'd be super easy. You can't find it on your phone. Well, I mean, I have a couple of different versions, but all you have to do is then go and search for your Instagram, and then it will show up. So that's how you like hide it, from your home screen. So it's just not an app you see all the time. Now, if I wanted to hide my account, if I go to Instagram, um, you can't do this on the app. You need to sign in on Safari or on your computer. So if I just go to Safari, type in Instagram.com, sign in, and then go to your homepage on the app, what you have to do is then go to Edit Profile, scroll down to the very bottom, and then we're going to hit temporarily disable my account. And then you can go through temporarily disabling this. You can completely delete your account, but if you're just trying to hide it, for a little bit of time, then you could do it this way. And then you say, why are you doing it? Then the reason for it, and then your password, and then hit temporarily disable my account. And that's how you go ahead and hide your account and hide the app on your phone. If you guys have any questions on this, let us know in the comments below. If not, don't forget to like and don't forget to subscribe.